Donald Trump appeared by video at a hearing in his New York City criminal case. He was not required to come to court today, but today he learned that he will be required to be in court perhaps for several weeks beginning March 25th of next year. Judge Juan Manuel Mershon set a trial date in this hush money case, the first ever criminal case brought against the former president, and he said Donald Trump, his lawyers, everyone involved needs to cancel any professional and personal obligations they may have for the duration of the trial. Now for Trump, that means a criminal trial right in the heart of the presidential primary season that kicks off early next year. The trial, if that March 25th, 2024 date holds, will take place a few weeks after Super Tuesday, but still when many other primaries have yet to be contested. Donald Trump, as he heard this court date, as he heard this instruction from the judge, turned to the lawyer that was sitting by his side. Donald Trump was at his estate in Florida, and there were other people in the courtroom here in New York. He turned to the lawyer next to him, kind of threw up his hands, glowered at the camera, and they conferred for several moments before he turned back to the camera and kept his arms folded for the duration of this hearing. Donald Trump, his lawyers said, was advised previously that this date was the date that the judge wanted for the trial. But Trump, who said very little otherwise during this pretrial hearing, appeared frustrated that he would have to be essentially wedded to a courtroom for several weeks during his campaign to retake the White House next year. The whole purpose for this hearing, this virtual hearing, this hybrid hearing, was for Judge Juan Manuel Mershon to instruct Donald Trump on the do's and don'ts of his behavior during the pretrial process. Donald Trump, of course, is known for speaking his mind and going on social media, going after people testifying against him, people who have accused him of wrongdoing and the like. He's even attacked the judge in this case and some of the witnesses. So Judge Mershon has issued a protective order which says any evidence you receive in the pretrial discovery process, you can't use that to attack witnesses. You can't use that to go on social media and post information about them. That said, the judge made clear this was not a gag order. Donald Trump can still come out, can still go on the campaign trail, can still go on social media and defend himself, deny the charges, talk about his defense. Donald Trump, his lawyer says, is still concerned that this could be restricting his First Amendment rights, considering that he is running for president and that he wants to be able to defend himself not only in the courtroom, but also in the court of public opinion.
We hear